Today's story name is Water Lilies.
Cindy loved the water lilies. They were her favorite flowers. She wanted to gift some to her friends. Her parents tried to stop her from doing this. Her father said, "The water lily floats in the water. How will you pluck it?" But Cindy was adamant. She thought the could try to pull the flowers towards the bank with the help of a stick. But when she tried doing that, she slipped and fell into the water. She was all dirty and muddy and returned home without a flower. Her mother scolded her badly for being so stubborn. She said, when we had warned you that it is difficult to get a water lily, why did you not listen to us?" Cindy remained silent. She had to take a hot bath. She thought, next time, maybe I should pick up some buttercups. Please subscribe Amma Kathalu.